Good morning, K1B. It's Miss Duplessy. I'm back in my house again. And we're going to do a little math this morning using shapes. But we're going to have some fun drawing like we like to do using our coffee grinds. If you don't have coffee grinds, you could use flour on a cookie sheet like the way we wrote our names. Or you could also use any kind of powder. If you have corn powder, that will work. You can use salt, that will also work, and something to put it on. So if you have something dark, you're going to want something light to put it on. If you're using powder, you might want to put it on a cookie sheet. So we're going to draw our shapes. Ready? Let's go. Okay, K1B, this is something we do in our classroom all the time, is we either use flour or we use coffee grinds or salt to draw things like letters, numbers, and today, shapes. So go ahead and you're going to pour out a layer of coffee, a nice thin layer, just like we did with our flour, onto your pan or tray. I'm using a plate today. We are going to start with a circle. A circle has no straight lines. It's just one line that curves all the way around. And there is our circle. One big line that connects all the way around. We're going to give it a shake, shake, shake so we can erase. There we go. Our next shape has 3 lines. That is our triangle. Don't get confused, boys and girls. A lot of people like to call this a rectangle. Nope, that's his cousin. This is the triangle. The triangle has 3 sides. It's got 3 sides and 3 vertices. If you remember way back, we talked about vertices, boys and girls. Oh, ouch. Those are those tiny little points at the end. Those vertices. So let's make our 3 lines and our 3 vertices. Here we go. Ready? Line 1, line 2, and line 3. Do I have 3 lines? I got 3 vertices. I got a triangle. Very nice. We're going to give it an erase, erase, erase. And next is our rectangle. We see rectangles everywhere. We find rectangles everywhere. It's like the square, but it's not. It's his cousin. Don't get confused. I have a square here. It's got 4 sides, but they're all equal. They're all the same. This is a rectangle. A rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short. 2 long sides and 2 short. Make sure you have your 2 sides that are long and 2 sides that are short. So sometimes you see our rectangle like this. These are usually your tables, your doors. But you can also see different kinds of rectangles, boys and girls. Your rectangle could go this way. Your short side, long, long. 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 are long and 2 are short. You got your 4 vertices. You got a rectangle. That's right, the rectangle. Don't get it confused with the triangle. The last tricky shape we are going to talk about is the hexagon. He's a little harder to find. But let's see how many sides the hexagon has. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's got 6 sides, boys and girls. So let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for my hexagon. That's right, the hexagon. We're always forgetting the name. It's called a hexagon. It's got 6 sides. So your challenge after you have created all your shapes is to see what shapes you can find around your house. For example, many of you have probably noticed I am drawing on a square. I have a circle for the top of my coffee. Go ahead, look around your house and see what you can find. Can you find a rectangle? Maybe it's the table that you're on. Can you find a hexagon? That would be a challenge, but if you can find a hexagon, bonus points for you. Circle, square, rectangle. Go ahead on a little hunt around your house and see what shapes you can find. Till next time, this is Miss Duplessy. Have a great day, K1B.